My name is B. Shivakrishna, BSc final year, BZCS, Government Degree College, Gajwel, Autonomous. Today our topic is study on mosquito breeding sites and their medical importance. Introduction. Mosquitoes are among the most significant public health pests worldwide. They act as vectors transmitting several life-threatening diseases. Their breeding mainly depends on stagnant water bodies, rapid urbanization and climatic conditions in Gajwel create favorable environment for mosquito multiplication. Importance of the study. Mosquito-borne diseases remain a major concern in semi-urban and rural regions. Understanding breeding habitats help in designing effective control strategies. This study focuses on identifying breeding sources and assessing their medical importance in Gajwel. Objectives to identify natural and artificial mosquito breeding sites, to study common mosquito species in the area, to analyze seasonal variation in breeding, to assess their medical importance and suggest control measures. Study area description. Gajwel experiences a tropical climate with hot summers and moderate rainfall during monsoon. The area includes agricultural lands, residential colonies, open drains, ponds, and water storage systems that supports mosquito breeding.
Methodology. Surveys were conducted in residential, agriculture, and peri-urban areas. Larval samples were collected using the Dipper method. Observation were recorded, recording water type, location, and larval density. Secondary data were collected from local health centers. Mosquito classification. Mosquitoes belong to the family Culicidae. The three major genera observed. Anopheles, each Culex, each genus differs in breeding performance and disease transmission. Life cycle of mosquito. The mosquito life cycle includes four stages: egg, larva, pupa, adult. The, the aquatic stages egg, larva, pupa occur in water. The life cycle completes within 7 to 14 days depending on temperature. Natural breeding sites identified: rainwater puddles, pond margins, irrigation channels, tree holes, agriculture fields. Three sites were more common during monsoon season.
Artificial breeding sites identified: water storage tanks and plastic containers and drums, discarded tides, construction sites, blocked drainage system. Artificial containers showed high AIDS breeding. Seasonal variation. Mosquito density increased significantly during the monsoon due to water accumulation. Post monsoon months also showed high larval density in stagnant drains and containers. Special distribution. Species were more common near agricultural fields. Aedes mosquitoes were found in domestic containers. Culex mosquitoes were abundant in polluted drains and sewage water. Malaria. Malaria is transmitted by female Anopheles mosquitoes. Symptoms include fever, chills, sweating, and anemia. Rural areas near stagnant water bodies are more vulnerable.
Dengue. Dengue is transmitted by Aedes mosquitoes that breed in clean, stagnant water. Symptoms include high fever, severe headache, joint pain, and rash. Cases increase during rainy season. Chikungunya, also spread by Aedes mosquitoes. Chikungunya causes high fever and severe joint pain. It affects working populations and causes economic burden. Filariasis. Filariasis is transmitted by Culex mosquito breeding in polluted water. It causes swelling of limbs and long-term disability. Public health impact in Gajwel. Seasonal outbreaks of fever cases are reported in local health centers. Increased mosquito breeding correlates with rise in dengue and malaria cases during monsoon. Environmental factors influencing breeding: poor drainage systems, improper waste disposal, open water storage, construction activities, climatic factors such as rainfall and humidity.
Conclusion. The study reveals the mosquito breeding is widespread in Gajwel due to environmental and climatic conditions. Artificial containers significantly contribute to breeding increasing dengue risk. Effective vectors control requires community participation, proper sanitization, and regular monitoring. Suitable mosquito management can reduce disease burden and improve public health in the region. Thank you.